Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious red chilaquiles with chicken. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by cutting our 20 corn tortillas into small triangles. So cut them in half and then half again, then just cut in between. Just like that. Okay, so once we have our triangles, now we can make our salsa. Okay, to make our salsa on medium-high heat, we're going to bring to a boil 12 new Mexico or guajillo chile pods. Make sure that you clean them, along with 1 tomatillo, 1 tomato, and I'm also going to add 4 chile de arbol. Once our chiles and tomatoes come to a boil, we're going to transfer them to our blender cup. And now we can get ready to blend. To a blender cup, we're also going to add 2 garlic cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, along with 2 cups of water. And now we're just going to blend until we have a smooth salsa. Really close. Okay. And once we have our red sauce, we're going to set it to the side and work on our chicken. Okay, so for our chicken, we're going to be using 3 chicken breasts cut in half, and we're just going to season them with salt. So make sure you get all of the breast and black pepper. And do the same to the other side. Okay, so once we have our chicken all nice and seasoned, now we are ready to begin cooking. To cook our chicken, we're going to grab our skillet, set it on medium heat, and add a little bit of oil. And just allow it to heat up. Okay, so once our skillet is hot, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. And just allow it to melt. Okay, so once the butter melts, we're going to place our chicken on our skillet. And we're going to cook the chicken for 4 minutes on each side. After 4 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over. And allow that side to cook for another 4 minutes. Okay, so after 4 minutes, we're going to remove our chicken from our skillet, place it on a side dish, and make sure that you cover it with foil. And we're just going to repeat that same process to the rest of our chicken. And at this point, we're going to begin to get our oil ready for our chips. Set it on medium heat and add enough oil to cover the tortilla. And now we're just going to allow it to heat up. Okay, so once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to throw in our tortilla triangles and fry them until they're nice and golden. Make sure that they are in a single layer. And while we wait for our tortilla chips, we can begin to shred our chicken. Okay, so we're just going to shred our chicken. Okay, so once we have our chicken all nice and shredded, now we're just going to wait until it's time to put it all together. Okay, and once we're done frying all of our tortilla chips, now we are ready to put everything together. Okay, so I'm just going to switch pans back to the one where we cooked our chicken, and we're just going to allow it to heat up. Okay, so once it's nice and hot, we're going to add half of an onion and add more oil if you need to. For now, we're just going to cook our onion for a couple minutes. Okay, so after a couple minutes, we're going to add half of our chicken and just mix it with the onion. And now we're going to add our red sauce. Strain if you need to. We're going to reduce the heat to the medium-low and just bring it to a simmer. Okay, and once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you want to add any more. So I'm going to add a little bit to mine. Okay, so just let that soak in there. Okay, so now we're ready to add our chips. Just make sure that you soak them with the sauce. And if you like your chips to be nice and crunchy, you can pour it on top. You can pour the sauce on top of your chips when you're serving. So that's all preference to you, how you like them. Okay, so once we have mixed the chips with the sauce, we're going to add a little bit of queso Oaxaca. And the the rest of our chicken. Okay, so now we're going to cover it and allow that cheese to melt. Alrighty guys, and once our cheese has melted, now we can get ready for the fun part. Okay, so I'm just going to be serving it in a bed of extra chips. And of course, you grab as much as you want. Alright guys, and I'm just going to drizzle some crema mexicana and top it with some queso fresco. And just like that, we are ready to enjoy our delicious red chicken chilaquiles. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you that I am so ready. I love chilaquiles. And this is a whole meal, you know, by itself. But of course you can serve it with beans or whatever you want to serve them with. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. They are a little spicy, but they're so good. Perfect for any time of the day. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious red chicken chilaquiles. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.